What are we doing today?
Dropping shit off. Dropping everything off to our flip. Should be done next week. So we're gonna go in, take a look, see how the progress is going. On. You guys brought the whole crew.
Look at that.
I want to leave here all day, so feel free to do what you need to do.
So all those doorknobs you bought don't have, like, half of them don't have locks on them. So like none of the bathrooms upstairs are.
Well, I bought enough lock-in ones. You just can't count.
Oh.
Looks good.
What day? So what? Your people are coming when?
Cleaners are Saturday next week. Stagers are this week. Saturday this week. This is Monday, right?
Yeah. So
Saturday this week is cleaners. Stagers are Monday, Tuesday. Pictures are gonna be Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah, now with the
black.
yeah, the gold right there. What is this scene?
No, it is. I'll have to probably spray under. It's probably wrong. I'll show you.
That looks really good.
Looks really freaking good with that pattern and everything.
Cleaning tomorrow, listing probably Thursday. So stagers Tuesday, Wednesday, pictures Thursday, so probably listing Friday, just in time for the next weekend. So probably sell by the time the weekend is out.